Hi, my name is Victor Salcido. I will be discussing code that utilizes while loop, for loops, and nested loops. So for the first loop here, I wrote a method called changeRed, and this method basically sets the red value of a pixel to 10% of the original amount. And so the while loop that we included for this method is while start is less than end. It will go ahead and set the red value to 0.1, which is 10%. And then the index would increase by 1, and it goes through and loops again and continues to do it while the start is less than the end. So basically it goes through through every pixel on the picture. Now onto the second method. This method is called public void mirror vertical, and it's a method to mirror around a vertical line in the middle of a picture based on the width. So basically it goes down the middle of the picture from top to bottom and makes a mirror image of it on both sides. And so for this method, we went ahead and used nested for loops. And the reason we use nested for loops is because we need the first loop to loop through all the rows. Okay, so we're getting the loop to run through each row. Now the second inside loop is going to loop from 0 to the middle, which is going to be our mirror point. And this basically will return a picture that's mirrored vertically. Now for the last method, this is going to show a loop, a for loop, which is basically like the simplest, most basic loop that you can use. The for loop on its own will just change every pixel in the array. And the reason we can use a for loop for this method is because we are just pulling the pixel array in 1D. So we don't need to specify whether to do the row or column. We are just having the code execute on every single pixel in this pixel array. And so in this case here, we're asking the loop to go through the pixel object through the entire pixel array, and we're asking it to get the red value and decrease the red value by 75%, and then set the red value of the current pixel to the new value. And it loops through and does every single one until it's done, and that's it.